This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable stories resharing on Twitch. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Twitch. To enable or disable stories resharing on Twitch, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to my little profile icon. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the tabs across the top up here, you want to go to the one that says Security and Privacy. Then you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see the Privacy section, and in the Privacy section, right down here, Stories Resharing. Who can reshare my stories? It gives you 4 different options. Nobody can reshare my stories. People who are mentioned can reshare my stories. People who are mentioned or that I follow can reshare my stories, or all users can reshare my stories. By default, the third one's probably toggled on, as you see mine is. But that is how to enable or disable stories resharing on Twitch. Thanks for watching.